Good morning one and all. Now in today's class we'll be studying about new approaches to layout design. Now in that the first Roman number is just in time. Now first let us understand what is the meaning of just in time. Okay. Then later on we can study the various advantages. Now here they have given here whatever the delivery of products is there, it should be done, okay, at right quality, right time, right place and right quantity. Now all these terms you need to understand that, okay. Like suppose what happens, okay, the product which is there, it should be placed at the right quality, it should be there, and right time, okay, and right place and right quantity. Now here it matters that quality also is important and quantity of the product also. It doesn't happen that, okay, if you purchase more quantity products, okay, quantity means what, more in number, but after that if the quality of the product is not good, then what happens, the product doesn't have that much value. So both are equally important, that is quantity of the product also and quality of the product also. Now let us understand this with the help of the example so that you can understand that. Now just think that there are two companies, okay, one is company ABC Limited and other one is company XYZ Limited. Now one company will place an order with the other company. Placing an order means what, they require these many quantity of whatever the products, okay, so they will place an order, okay, mentioning that these many quality of products are required, okay. Then also they will mention, okay, how the design of the product should be there and all that. So whatever the order is been placed with the other company, it is a responsibility of the other company that, okay, they have to send the goods at right time, okay, right time, and the quantity mentioned also should be sent correctly. Like suppose if one company, like we have taken example of what, ABC Limited company. So this company has placed an order of something 50 goods or 50 products. Now once they have sent the order of 50 products, okay, now what happens, XYZ Limited company, they should take into consideration the quantity, the number, how much order is been placed as 50 goods or 50 products, that much quantity of products only has to be sent or sent to that particular company, means whatever the quantity or number is been mentioned, okay. Now this happened of what, quantity, okay, not only quantity but the order should be placed at right time and right place also, okay. Right time and right place means what, now they will specify or mention that in this particular venue or this area, okay, means I am telling about the right place. In this particular locality or area the goods has to be sent, okay. Now apart from that also right time. Right time means what, exactly at this particular time, or it can happen whatever time is been mentioned. And also now we spoke of what, quantity, okay, right quantity, right time, right place, okay, and right quality also. Now as I've told you that only quantity or only number doesn't matter. Apart from that, whether they are supplying or providing better quality products or no. Like suppose what happens, you order many quantity of products, okay, and we have placed an order of how much, 50. ABC Limited company had placed an order of 50 products, okay. Now once they have placed an order of 50 products, out of those 50 products, now it doesn't happen that all the 50 products which are there are of good quality only, okay. Out of those 50 which are there, okay, 30 may be there of good quality and 20 which are there will be found something defective or damaged, okay. So this shows what, it is of not good quality product. So based on that, this is called as a just in time, okay. Now here only you need to remember these key terms which are there, okay. Which are the key terms? That is a right quantity, right time, right place, okay, and right quality also. Like when one company has placed an order with the other company mentioning how many quantity of goods are being required. So what happens, the other company has to send those many particular goods or products to that particular company, okay, and specifying or mentioning that, okay, whatever order has been placed. Now they have placed a 50 quantity of products, means 50 goods has to be supplied, like that way, okay. So that is called as a just in time. Now let us understand the advantages of this new approach, that is a just in time. Now these are just the points, you can understand it very clearly. Now one by one we can go through that, okay. Now which is the first one? Reduce lead. Now see, we'll understand each point very clearly. Reduce lead time enables meeting customer requirement, okay. Now first of all you need to understand that what is the customer requirement. Now basically what happens, they should understand the taste and preferences of the customer. What are the customer's requirements, okay, whatever, whether their demand is been fulfilled. So based on time they will try to reduce the lead time, and customer is able to reduce the inventory and reduce product cost. Now here in this point you need to understand that whether the customer requirement means whether the customer taste and preferences are been fulfilled, and he is able to reduce whatever the product cost is there. Because what happens, now we will you have already studied about the demand for the particular product. Now customers will be demanding many products which are there, okay. So when the customers demand the products, okay, the company should try to supply those products to the customer. Now it doesn't happen that whatever are the demands of the customer will be fulfilled. So as per what are their demands, okay, accordingly the demands of the customers are to be fulfilled, taking into consideration the product price or the cost of that particular product. See here, the cost or price of the product also matters, because what happens, if you charge more prices for that particular product, okay, then that time what happens, it is not possible for all the customers to try to purchase that particular product, because of this only, lacking in the price or cost, okay. So the product price or the product cost, it should be reduced. Then the next one is what? Delivery schedule is possible with just-in-time practices. This help in image building of the company. Now let us understand this point, okay, clearly. Delivery schedule is possible with just-in-time practices. Now I had given you example about what? Two companies are there, no? There is company ABC Limited and other one is company XYZ Limited. Now here, ABC takes same example, okay. ABC Limited company had placed an order with whom? XYZ Limited company. Now the XYZ Limited company which is there, okay, they have to deliver the goods to the ABC Limited company. Now it is possible with just-in-time practices. Just-in-time practices means what? Now you had understand the meaning of that, okay, meaning of just-in-time. That is the products which are there should be placed in what? Right quantity, right quality, okay, then right time and right place. So understanding this one, then if the company follows this just-in-time practices which are there, means exactly how much quantity of products have been ordered, okay, how much quantity of products have been ordered, sending that much number or quantity of products to the company, and sending the goods in right time, okay, and right place also, okay, and following all these practices, okay, if they follow all the rules and guidelines properly, then only it will help in image building of the company. Means suppose what happens, if they fail to follow these rules or guidelines which are there, like suppose if one company has placed an order of 50 goods or 50 products, then if they send only 20 products or 30 products and remaining 20 products they do not send, so that time what happens, okay, if they are sending only few products and few products are not being sent, so the quantity been ordered is not been done specifically. Okay, so here what happens, a delivery schedule is possible means everything guidelines or rules are to be followed with just-in-time practices, and then only it will help in image building of the company. Image building of the company means what? How to earn the goodwill, good name and reputation of the company. Then next one you can see, customer prepare order from a firm reliable or maintaining delivery schedule. So here not only the company, the customer prepare the order from a firm reliable or maintaining the delivery schedule. Now what is the delivery schedule which is there? Means how the goods or when the goods are to be sent from one company to the other company. Okay, a certain order has to be prepared. Order has to be prepared means what? Now suppose if the customer has placed an order mentioning that these many quantity of goods are required. Okay, so that has to be clearly specified. The next one is what? Quality of product is improved by following just in time. This help in capturing more market share. How the quality of product is improved? Okay, now quality of product which is there, okay, like suppose as I've told you, not only the quantity but also the quality matters. Now imagine that if the quality of the product is not that much good, so how it can be improved? This can be improved by following what? Just in time, and it will help in capturing more market share. So if they try to improve the quality of the product, okay, and it will help to capture more market share. More market share means what? If the qualitative products, they will try to attract the customers, and that time only the customers will try to purchase that particular product, because they will give more preference or more importance to the quality of product rather than the quantity or rather than whatever the other factors which are there, leaving that the more preference or importance will be given to the quality. So the main important thing is what? Mentioning the quality of that particular product, and then only it can try to attract the customers also, and then only it will try to capture more market share. So this is all about the first type which is there, that is the just in time. This one, is it clear? That is a new approach to layout design. Now just briefly I will tell you that just in time practice is what? Okay, following right quantity, okay, right time, right quality, okay, and right place also. So following all these parts or all these factors is very much important part. Okay, because what happens, more preference or more importance should not be given to only one aspect or one part. Okay, following right quantity and right quality also. And we had studied the various advantages, means reducing lead time enable meeting the customer requirement. The company has to satisfy based on the requirements of the customer, means understanding the taste and preferences of the customer. Okay, then delivery schedule is possible with just in time practices. If the goods are to be sent properly from one company to other company, it is possible with just in time practices. Okay, just in time practice means what? Following right quality, right quantity, okay, right time, which will help in image building of the company. If they follow the proper just in time practices, then goodwill and image of the company will be improved. Then customer will prepare an order from a firm reliable or maintaining delivery schedule. They have to prepare an order. Okay, means ordering that how many quantity of goods are being required. And quality of product is improved by following just in time, because what happens, the main important thing is what? Okay, improving the quality of the product. If the product quality is not that much good or not that much effective, okay, how the quality of product can be improved? If the quality of product is improved, then it will capture the more market share. So this is all about the just in time, one approach of the layout design.